as well. Well, as we head into the final day of the first mandatory training camp for the Jags, two key players on the team are still missing.
Yeah, we still haven't talked a lot about this one, but Josh Scobie, you've got the franchise tag placed on him. He didn't like that. And Mojo are missing from the ranks, both over contract unrest. We're joined this morning live via Skype by attorney and NFL certified sports agent John Phillips. Hey, John, how you doing?
Good morning. I'm actually in Marco Island down in Southwest Florida. You can see the ocean behind me if you look real close.
Looks pretty nice. Hey, if you had Mojo as a client, maybe Josh Scobie as well, what would be your advice to them?
If I had Mojo, I probably wouldn't have advised him to hold out. The issue, obviously, is we've got a new management team. We've got a new ownership. It's just bad timing. And, you know, he just renegotiated a $31 million deal 3 years ago, and so he's got 2 years left, and he's paid in the top 8. It's just a tough situation all around for him.
And if you were his agent, I would think, at least, you know, if I were an agent, I think that I would go to management first and say, hey, listen, we think that he deserves a new contract, and play it that route instead of saying hold out.
Yeah, holding out with, you know, the good thing is you've got Rashad Jennings, who's in the final year of his contract, who is going to strive harder. But had the Jaguars known this was going to happen, they may have, you know, foregone on Justin Blackmon and taken Trent Richardson or somebody. But, you know, it's just bad timing, and they're using the other 7 running backs or 8 running backs ahead of him by comparison, and just about every one of them, after they held out and got this big deal, absolutely flopped for the next season or two. And so you've got that problem as well, and it's just, like I said, they're already getting, even though it's a $5 million contract, they have a salary bonus that they've got to pay, so it's like an $8 million cap hit already for them.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either. Hey, Josh Scobie, obviously upset with the franchise tag. This is the new thing they've got going here across the NFL. Guys don't like it because it restricts theirs. Can you explain what that is?
Essentially, every team gets what's the franchise tag. And so it's a way to hold on to one player and pay them a predetermined sum for 1 year. You can only do it for 1 year, only for one time for that player. But it's a way to prevent renegotiation, really, or a holdout. And it's every time it happens in every team, the player gets upset.
Yeah, so in a way, you can kind of understand how Josh is maybe taking this moment to kind of give his say his piece, so to speak.
Absolutely, and it's, you know, it's not a big of a deal for Josh to get in there and go to training camp. His leg is his leg. But for Mojo, again, new offense, new head coach, new running backs coach. I mean, I host a show with Rashad Jennings on WOKV, Courts and Sports, and the guy is working his tail off with this opportunity. And like I said, I think he's going to shine.
Yeah, I don't disagree with that. All right, well, John Phillips, thank you so much for go enjoy the ocean. We appreciate you spending some time with us.
Thank you, guys.
And, yeah, go ahead.
Don't forget, you can watch the team practice today at 11:15 a.m. They are going to be at Florida Blue Practice Field. That's right near Everbank. Admission is free. Also, join